I'm gonna try something a little new here with this YouTube stuff. It was mostly drag racing, street racing. I mean, pretty much that's all it is. I'm gonna take y'all into a little further look with this stuff. The way they're built, stuff like that. Alright, now that we're at the house, let's go over a little bit of what we're gonna do with this channel now. I'm gonna take you along with me, kind of like doing vlogs. You're gonna go along with me on these projects. A bit about what's gonna happen, what I'm gonna be working on. I've got the Coyote stock. That's my 93 Mustang. It's a first gen Coyote. A few simple bolt-ons, stuff like that when I bought it. Had some custom ground comp cams. Threw a bottle on it. It's a Liberty built TKO 600. Very nice transmission. I love the transmission in this car. I had some fun with it for about a year and a half. And I decided to tear it down and make a project out of it. I mean, everybody always wants to go faster. I finally got my own garage, so I always wanted to build a car from the ground up. It took a little bit longer than I thought it would. Also on this channel, what you're going to see probably the most of in the recent future is my 2016 YXZ 1000R. My tow rig, my 2004 F-150. There's probably going to be a lot of working on it, obviously. The name of it is Tomato, because it may tow. Huh, get it? Ha! 2012 Fiat 500. We're gonna go now. So, if you don't care, give me a like, subscribe, comment, whatever.